There's good money out there even if you just use your phone, okay? That's the world that we live in. So we just gotta take our opportunities. Take your chances, guys. Hit that subscribe, follow the video, and let's go and make that money. The first thing that we want to do is we want to get this website. This website is called Rewarding Ways, and you can get yourself a lot of money using this. It doesn't matter where you are located. In fact, you can write me down in the comments from which country are you coming from so I can make some videos based on your country. But this one is gonna work anywhere. So just type in Rewarding Ways and then just click on rewardingways.com. And when you go inside, this is what you're gonna get. You're gonna get a lot of money. You're gonna get a lot of opportunities. And you just have to use your phone or your computer. So you can actually see that you have got PayPal, Amazon, and you got a lot of these contests. So basically, the more time you invest in such a website, the more money you're gonna get, all right? So I've actually seen a lot of people online that just don't have enough patience to do this kind of work, but there's a lot of money inside, so it is definitely worthwhile for you to get in this. This website has a lot of great reviews, as you can see. This person made a lot of money, so they're just satisfied with it. And you have a lot of this like questions that can be answered, guys, but this is what is important, guys. Over $2 million has been paid out for surveys, okay, because these guys are pretty old, and you want to get this old website because over 12 years of experience, that tells us something, okay? They must have been doing something good, and you can see that they've got 8-hour payment promise. So as soon as you hit that cash out button, you're gonna receive that money in 8-hour period, okay? So let's go and let's take this on. So you can just click on get paid. So you just have to make yourself an account. So for example, first name, last name, username, password again, valid email address, and you can start. Next on, as you can see, you just have to type in your address, your city, and state if you are in the USA. But if you're not in the USA, you can just choose whichever country is on this list. I guess your country is on here. They've got all countries supported. Click on the next button. Now, when you make yourself an account, this is the dashboard that you're going to be greeted with, and you can see that you're ready to start making money online. They've even got you like this 20 cents join bonus to your account, but that's nothing compared to what you can earn on here. So you can just start by selecting one of our most popular survey providers. So you have your surveys, you have CPX Research, and you have BitLabs. Then, of course, apart from that, you have this like offer walls where you can sign a lot of paid offers, trials, videos, and more. So you can just watch the videos if you like that. So for example, I don't know, you can choose whichever one you want. There's a lot of these. So for example, if you click on Lootably, you can see that, for example, you can play a game and you can get that. You can just do the surveys. And when you're happy with the amount of money that you've got with these, you can just go on withdraw. Now in here you can see that you can just get PayPal and you can get like Skrill. And here on the right hand side here you can see that people are getting huge amounts of money, guys. They're just withdrawing this money all around, so a lot of people are making money. There's also payment proof, so you can see that, for example, this person got $19, this person got $12, this person got $5, $2, and you can see that there are a lot of pages. So you can just jump to page, I don't know, maybe just click on the next one, and you can see that there's a lot of money on this website as well. So people are really getting money from the website, and all you got to do is to invest a bit of your time into this one. The more time you invest, guys, the more money you're gonna get, because that's all that it takes. You just have to click with your mouse and keyboard, and that's it. Now the next website, which is gonna offer you the opportunity to get money either from your phone or your computer, you can just go to Squishy Cash. So just type in Squishy Cash in the Google search bar, then head over to this squishycash.com link, and that's gonna be it. You're gonna be redirected to Squishy Cash, and this website has a lot of members. Just take a look at the count, and they're pretty old as well. And what they give you is they just give you $3 if you just sign up right now. So really good thing, guys. You get $3 just for coming on the website, just for making yourself an account. And just take a look at these payment proofs, guys. You can view all these posted proof of payments. Just take a look at this person: $300, $200, $100, So that's really some cool money if you ask me, guys. All of those people are just doing these like free offers, surveys, trials. They just go and watch videos. So there's really brilliant things to do on this website as well. So all you gotta do is to make yourself an account by entering in your email address, and that's it. You're gonna get $3 right away as soon as you start. Of course, hit that subscribe button of ours if you like these two websites. Thank you. Now, the next one is called idleempire.com, and this one works in the same way, okay? But these guys have like these boosters all around, so you can just scroll through these surveys, offer walls, offers, and all of that stuff. But these guys also have crypto, so if you click on withdraw, you can actually get some Bitcoin, and that's always a nice idea, guys, especially now that Bitcoin and all the other cryptos are skyrocketing. Just take a look at the Bitcoin and just take a look at this graph in 1 month. So it's been rising, guys. It's been rising for a whole month, and that's a good sign for us, okay? Because you can get a lot more profits nowadays with crypto. And all you got to do on this website is that you can, for example, watch the videos. If you click on the watch videos section, you will actually have an opportunity to visit Hideout TV videos, which are really good. Now, what I like about Hideout TV videos is that you don't actually have to watch the entire video. You can just let it run because the ads is what is important, okay? So you need to run the ads and you don't have to watch them, okay? So what I do is, for example, I just put some video which is like 14 minutes long, but there are like even longer ones. So maybe try to find this one is like 20 minutes, and what I do is I just put a longer video, okay, and then I go and do something else, okay. I just leave this opened and it's getting me the money on autopilot, okay. So then I just come back afterwards and I just put another one, okay. So that's how it works. You don't actually have to watch the videos. You just need to let the ads run, and no one is going to ask you what was in those videos, okay. It is just important that the ads run. That's how this Idle Empire is getting the money, and then they of course share the revenue with you. And the last one, and my favorite one, is Cointiply.com, and this is the place where it has a lot of money if you just invest your time, as you can see it right here. They've also got the Google Play app, so you can just do this on the go, but unfortunately they don't have an app for the App Store, so this is only for Android users. But of course you can always do this on your desktops, on your laptops, so you can just play games, you can do surveys, you can watch videos on this website as well, and they've got some nice features. As you can see, loyalty bonus is increasing your income by 100% if you just log in each day, okay. So that's really nice, and they have a lot of users, as you can see, and it's a pretty popular one. So I highly suggest that you just put this on your schedule list because it works. It is really good one. Go out there, guys, just take that action, and I'll catch you.